Life of it. Dad's of Dad's Entertainment.
Yeah.
That's what Dad's of. Check. Yeah. Ha. Yeah. Cause
Stop yourself, friends and sisters. You don't know, you know. Lord, I did that from the Dad's That YouTube channel, you see me? And today, you don't know, we're actually debut, and you don't know we're about to go down to CheffingDon, one of our favorite restaurants, you see me? Ital food, ItalTuesdays, you see me? So you don't know, you know. Remember to check it out. We're going to give you some highlights of going down to CheffingDon. So CheffingDon, ItalTuesdays, look out for it, you see me? We're about to touch the road and make you see what really going on. Kingston, Jamaica, you see me? Watch out, you see me? I go down and CheffingDon, go on to Ital food, you see me?
Oh yeah, man.
That's all I'm going out there now. Don't be doing that. CheffingDon. Don't know me, I wait for my food now. Unless I wait to collect back the ItalTuesdays, they don't know the real youth them. Kingston, Jamaica, you see me? CheffingDon. That's it. Every time. Don't know in a ItalTuesdays, CheffingDon. Pasta. Ital food. Sometimes you have Ital food up, you don't know. Mess up yourself. Big up yourself, Birdman. You see me every time. That's it. We're there, man. Tuesday, ItalTuesdays. That's life. You see me? Every time. Big up CheffingDon restaurant. You don't know them are the real Ital food place out there. So just bless them up and hold to food. Don't know. Respect every time. ItalTuesdays.
Dad's of Dad's Entertainment.
Yeah.
That's what Dad's of. Check. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ha. Yeah. Cause this is the life of a dad's. I'm a father in the game like a dad. And I'ma show you the ropes like your dad.
What?